Okay, so here's a quick question. If you had the choice between living next to the polo fields and a private clubhouse or in a quiet green garden pocket, which one would you pick? Emaar just announced their next Silvera inside the Grand Polo Club. And honestly, this is not just another villa lodge. So here's the thing. Silvera 3 is basically the third phase in the equestrian must plan. You've got the 4-bedroom villas around 3,700 to 3,850 square feet, interiors that are super calm, and the real highlight is the green core. We're talking 3 polo club fields, stable, a private clubhouse. It's full a lifestyle package. So let me ask you this. Do you see yourself more as someone who would actually use the clubhouse and the polo club facility, or is it just more about the resale and the prestige value for you? But in both the scenarios, Polo Club is one of the best options that you can opt to. Now here I tell you why. First, let's compare. Now, if you talk about the Silvera 1, it was launched at around 5.5 to 6.2 million. 2 pretty much the same price, slightly better positioning and sold out really quickly. Now the 3, the difference here is that the placement is near the green core. That's where the premium really kicks in. And then you have got homes with higher ticket, ultra luxury which goes more than 9 million. So Silvera 3 is basically sitting at very sweet spot. Still premium, but not yet touching the estate level pricing. Now I know that there will be a lot of questions running in your head saying that why is it priced so high? Now let me tell you, this is a niche project. When I say niche, I'm talking about what this whole community is offering. If I had to compare with any other equestrian club, there are not many here in Dubai. And Polo being the second one, that means you're not just getting the villa, you're getting the facilities of riding them, parking them, and all the premium services that the community is providing. Now let's take Khaptur Polo Resort for example. If you'll stay there, you know how different the whole community is, how different the whole experience is, and this will be a Grand Polo. That means, like I told you, you're not just paying for the 4 walls, you're also paying for the community services, and the whole location and area in itself is luxury and premium. And if you compare anywhere with the villas, this niche, it's still underpriced. I mean, I'll be real with you, this isn't about the whole villa. The whole master plan is about identity. Not every community can say my backyard is a polo field, I've got horses in the neighborhood, and a private resort style clubhouse, and my view in the morning is just horses running around. Now for end users, it's a lifestyle flex. For investors, it's a positioning play. Properties with a unique identity tend to hold a growth value better. Now would you buy here for living or purely for investment? Now let's talk about the prices. Well, for a 4-bedroom, the starting price is about 6.5 million dirhams, and your payment plan, as it's Emaar's standard payment plan, 80-20. That's 80% during construction, 20% on handover. The handover will be in 2029. So Silvera, in a nutshell, is a premium placement, equestrian lifestyle, and still accessible compared to the bigger, pricier launches. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you a polo side or a garden side? Which one are you picking? Because honestly, this community gives you both. Now, if you're interested about Polo Club or you want to know more about this project or any other project, reach out to me on the number given below, and I will catch you back in the next one.